And finally, we've reached the pinnacle of our list at number 1, fudge. This rich and indulgent confectionery has been a staple in American dessert culture for decades. Made from a combination of sugar, butter, and milk, fudge comes in various flavors and textures. From classic chocolate to peanut butter, caramel, or even maple walnut, fudge offers a melt-in-your-mouth experience that's hard to resist. It's the perfect treat to satisfy your sweet tooth or share with loved ones during holidays and special occasions. Fudge has its roots in the United States and is believed to have been created accidentally when a batch of caramel failed to set properly. The first recorded mention of fudge dates back to the late 19th century when it gained popularity at women's colleges like Vassar and Wellesley. Kilwin's is a popular confectionery chain that specializes in homemade fudge. With locations throughout the United States, they offer a wide variety of fudge flavors, including classic chocolate, peanut butter,